First, I made this coaster, which I found quite smaller in respect to this flower. So to combat that, I made a bigger one. Okay. Now, when I put this flower on top of it, I feel like the maroon is overpowering, and when I will complete the maroon border on the flower, it won't look that good. So then I thought, okay, let's make another flower. So I thought to make this kind of flower, but when I'm putting this on, it isn't giving that vibe. This is giving like, this is not giving a flower with a stem vibe. Instead, I should, if I want to use this flower, I feel like I should make somewhat flat flowers, some bigger, some smaller, and arrange them accordingly, like we do it on a cake, sort of, yeah, flower cake, or you can say vintage cake. So now this is flop, this is flop. I'm thinking to, like, not thinking, but I will unravel this and I will see where I'm going now. After doing this, I'm coming up with the idea that I can connect these, one biggest coaster, one smaller coaster, and a few more coaster made with the gray yarn, which I think is going well with the maroon. And I will make some bigger, some in like coasters in in different sizes, and connect them together to make a table runner for my coffee table. So too much is going on in my mind, but I want to go with this flower idea also with the same coaster. Even when I was making this stem for the flower, I thought I can connect it and then connect the stem somewhat like this. I don't know, but there is so much going on, and I'm not even able to comprehend that what actually I'm trying to do and what flower I should go with. I think I should go with a little smaller carnation, but not in this color, as this color, it is giving quite a dull look to this poster. So I'm thinking to use this color for the carnation. I should make another carnation in a rather smaller size and use this color. But the problem over here is that I don't have much of this color left. I only have this ball, and I tried to find the same color at the shop, but I wasn't able to do that. So other colors are very like, they won't go very well with other shades of yellow, are not going well with this, and this is going quite well. But still, I'm stuck, and I don't know what actually I want to make, and what like in the end what I will come up with.